In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located in the rear suspension. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the wheel. Use a 17mm socket. Take these lug bolts out. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. That off, grab the wheel, and pull it off. Using some locking pliers, just going to tighten these down on the stud so it doesn't spin. Just like that. Using a 16mm socket, loosen up the nut. Take the nut off. We can remove the locking pliers. That's loose. Using a 13mm socket, go in behind here, underneath the axle. Yep. Take that out. Grab the link, slide that out. Now take the new link, get this lined up, go through the sway bar. And down below, take the bolt. All right, snug that down. I'm going to torque that bolt to 15 foot-pounds. Now put the nut on. A 15mm ratchet wrench, 5mm hex socket. Tighten down the nut. And if you need to, you can use a 17mm wrench on the back side, and we'll torque that to 35 foot-pounds. Now I'll put the wheel on, get that lined up, get the lug stud started. The other one's on, snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.